am Dr. Balakrishna, Principal Scientist, Plant Biotechnology. I am working on sorghum transgenic approaches for insect resistance, salinity tolerance and drought tolerance, as well as reducing HCN levels. Where in sorghum there is no resistance source available for these traits. Even if it is available, we cannot tackle through normal sorghum breeding. Where in case of insect resistance, especially for stem borer resistance, we have transferred two BT genes, Cry1B and Cry1AB, where we got resistance for stem borer resistance. Whereas in case of salinity tolerance, we have transferred the gene which are isolated from Potracia croctata, where this plant will grow in marshy areas. Whereas in case of drought tolerance, we found 5 genes which are involved in ascorbic glutathione cycle. We got resistance for drought as well as salinity. Whereas in case of reducing HCl levels is an important trait in sorghum. So we isolated gene from the sorghum and we have developed transgenics through reverse orientation approach, reducing HCl levels in sorghum. We have developed sorghum mutants through gamma irradiation for developing shoot fly resistance, high Brix content in sweet sorghum, and high fodder in forage sorghum, and drought and as well as herbicide tolerance in grain sorghum. In case of shoot fly tolerance, these lines were screened for 5 generations and found that at least 20% improvement of resistance over the existing resistant stock. Whereas in case of drought tolerance, we have screened the mutants in 5 hotspot locations where we have not given any irrigation till the harvesting, and we found up to 40% yield advantage over the control. Whereas in case of sweet sorghum, we have found lines which are having high Brix content and which are giving up to 24 Brix content. Whereas in case of control, it was around 16 to 17%.